Ka Dorbar Mang Tyngka jong ka Iingdorbar thau an ka jala ka bala sedang menhak si thau dien ko ta yo balala kala kut no tang hadien ka jing song Dorbar ka balai singi namar ka jing siir ka jing sapriang jong ka jing pang COVID-19 kani ka Dorbar ka bala bu ha ka jing sisa bakan kut hadu ka arpu santre uluber lapun kut no ya ka ha ka si palai jong ka ta yo da ka jing menjore ka Mang Tyngka ka balai benai jong ka senam 8,000 arpu we ka bakot balat 1,000 lai spa sanpu praklur Tyngka Kani ka Dorbar ka bala sedang biang ha ka sinukon jong ka ta yo kala sakhi ka jing ya tai ka bajur halor kimat baper kuntup ikimat ki bedei bet ki an mender lembat ka jing pang coronavirus ha kani ka singi ulam phang ka Iingdorbar ulahap ban pensangi sipor ka Dorbar ha ka por siteng singi ban lum ker ki ka jing yalang jong ki dukhat ka business advisory committee ha ka ban ye perkhat ya ka kam ka bedei bat ka jing pang coronavirus Kani ka jing yalang kala shim ka rai ban pensangi no sisundan ya ka Dorbar Mang Tyngka ha kani ka singi bat labu ban penlong patang singi ha ka si palai tang ban menjore ka Mang Tyngka Hashba kani menteri ka kot ka khia jong jela uba elhek ulawan ra ya ka su moto statement ha pok ka Iingdorbar ka ba pentep ba ka tanat ka kot ka khia kala penmi ka jing betha ban pha khang khardep lut no ye ki jaka puli na du ki school ki college ki university na du ka khat neutre ulber hadu ka life way tre ulber namar ka jing pang coronavirus katkum kani jing tha la ong babaro ki jaka puli ki ben khang khardep swa sipor lat no tang ki jaka ki ba penlong yi ki examen kum ki examen jo ka embos ICSE CBSE nehu bat ki be nalor kani ula pentep ru ye ki jing tha ban khang khardep ye ki cinema hall ki gymnasium ki lumpung ye le kai ki jaka jingi nalor ka jing betha ban pensange shwa ye kinu ki kinja jing yelang ki bala ban ye lumbun ngut ki briu bat ki be
All non-essential travel outside into the states are to be postponed or avoided. Fifth, visiting big open and enclosed market and tourist places are to be avoided. Sixth, social distancing and hand hygiene to be maintained in place of work and worship. 7. Notified fair and festival are to be postponed or cancelled. 8. Close contact in public transport is to be avoided. 9. Companies or offices with work from home option may be permit employees to do so.
Hakani ka ski ka MLA jo ka ampati ka miani di shira Kalawan ra ya ka adjournment motion ban ya kren halor ki jingma ki ba ap ya ka jala na ka jing sapriang jong ka jing pang coronavirus bat jan baro ki dukhot jong ka Iingdorbar bila pen pawi ki jing sokhia halor ka kompan kre jong ka sarkar ban ya khon ya ka jing pang kham tam ka jing bam don ya ki lat jing ya da ki ba biang ka jing duna ki tiar ya da kum ki dawai sat ki mas bat ki be menteri rang ba ka jala ba juba ya ka ni motion ula pentem ba ka sarkar jala kla dep pha wan ra menta hadu sanpo hajar li ki tiar ai jingeda iba kenthop hadu real lak li ki mas 2 ply 3 ply but N95 real lak ki dawai sakti ni ki hand sanitizer ki thermal scanner ki ventilator but ki we ban ya dai ka ni jingpang hapo ka jala uong ba ka jing sapriang jong ka ni jingpang kalong ka ba ima namar ka jing nang bun jong kibri ki ba yo e kini jing pang hasat la ka perthai bat hari india ru kunju u konrad u pentip ba ka sarkar kla da bu ya u helpline number 108 u ban trei kambaro arpusa konta nang bagi pa nong song snong kin la ban bu jing kli bat wat jing tip ha ka be dei ba ka jing pang COVID-19 haba pentip ba ka jala kala dep bu adu sispa atli ki isolation ward hapo ka jala ula pentip ba ka deputy commissioner jong ka East Khasi Hills kala dep ru ban lumi ki jing yalang ba kirang ba snong halor ka jing pen kre jong ka sarkar ban ya khon ni ka ni jing pang uang ba kum kini ki jing yalang kin salong ru ha ki ki district jong ka jala
a lot of people fear that getting this virus means that the person will die. So I think that kind of course, a mindset I think is not correct. We need to ensure that this should not be, spread in the wrong way. Of course, that does not mean that we don't take it seriously. We take it very seriously. But I think the fact should come out that globally the mortality rate has been 2%, which of course is not at a point where it's like a Ebola virus, which is at least at a 90%, 80% mortality rate, but nonetheless a big concern for each and every one of us. Ventilators, so we have ordered 32 more ventilators, sanitizers 6 lakhs, and surgical gloves 20 lakhs, and thermal scanners, we have ordered 11 of them. 1 already is in place, sir, and 10 more are on the way. At the same time, sir, just to inform, the Nigrims has already been identified as one of the testing centers, and therefore the testing is taking place there. And I think in the entire northeast region, I think Nigrims has been identified as one. I am not very, very sure if there is any other one in the entire northeast as of now. And let me assure the House and assure our citizens, sir, that we as a government are taking every step to ensure that our citizens are protected, sir.
Hagasi kot jong Dorbar kata hagasi palei ka Iingdorbar kala ai ya jong munjur ya ka Mang Tyngka ka balai benai vote on account ka bakot balat 1,000 lai spa san popra klur Tyngka ban pentrekam nadu kasitere uyayong hadu benai jeliu. Hakani kasngi Menteri Rang Bak Kajela ubabat ya katanat pla Tyngka ulawan ra ka Mang Tyngka ka bapura jong senam arajar arpoe ka baduna hadu 1,000 san spa lai pu ar klur Tyngka. Handrai ya kani ka Mang Tyngka ka bapura on saya tai hadien bakut kilai benai on dala syong Dorbar biang. Katkung ka jing ai jing batai ka jong katanat pla Tyngka ka vote on account ka long ka badan kam na ka bentalai benai jong usnam arajar arpoe. Kat bampak lak menjur ya ka Mang Tyngka ka bapura jong ni usnam. Menteri Rang Bak ulawan ra ya kani ka Mang Tyngka ka balai benai hadien bawan ra ya ka Mang Tyngka bapura batla pentip ba kani ka Mang Tyngka ka balai benai kan long 1,000 lai spa san popra klur Tyngka. Habawan ra ya ka Mang Tyngka bapura Menteri Rang Bak Kajela ulaong ba kani ka Mang Tyngka jong usnam arajar arpoe kade ka Mang Tyngka ka baduna 1,000 san spa lai pu ar klur Tyngka. Kabalong lai point lai san persen jong ka gross state domestic product. Upentip ba ka jeng mang ban yo lum pisa na ka benta usnam arajar arpoe la antat bakan long khat nyo 1,000 lai spa nyo pusan klur Tyngka. Ha ka ba ka revenue receipt la antat bakan long khat san 1,000 lai spa san pulai klur Tyngka. Bat ka capital receipt kan long 1,000 arpoe klur Tyngka. Uang haba pelat no ya kajing simram kabalong 1,000 khandai spa khandai pusan klur Tyngka kajing yo lum pisa baro lang la antat bakan kot khatsan 1,000 lai spa prapo klur Tyngka. Uye thu ba kajing mang penlut pat ka kot khat nyo 1,000 sau spa lai pu ar klur Tyngka ha ka ba ka revenue expenditure kan long khat sau 1,000 sau spa ar pu pra klur Tyngka. Bat ka capital expenditure kan long lai 1,000 sau klur Tyngka.
So the year 2020 marks the start of a new decade, and my government has a vision to make it the Meghalayan decade, a decade where the state realizes its full potential through sustainable deployment of its human, environmental, social and cultural resources, a decade where Meghalaya leads the way in innovation and governance, and a decade where the state emerges as a knowledge economy and caring society. For 2020-21, I have estimated 2,377 crores and 690 crores for tax and non-tax revenue collection, respectively. So the biggest share of our revenue receipts is the tax devolution from the Union government. The size of this devolution is determined by the Finance Commission every 5 years. The 15th Finance Commission is mandated with recommending the devolution for the 5-year period, 2020-2025. My government was successful in convincing the Commission of the need to enhance the devolution to Meghalaya through presenting a clear development program for the next 5 years. I am happy to inform this August House that the Commission increased Meghalaya's share of the total divisible pool from the previous 0.642 to 0.765%. The total grants recommended for Meghalaya for the year 2020-2021 stand at 7,417 crores, of which 6,542 crores is the tax devolution, 491 is the revenue deficit grant, 182 crores and 88 crores are grants to rural and urban local bodies respectively. 66 crores is State Disaster Risk Management Fund and 48 crores is grant for nutrition. Sir, this is a 45% increase over the previous financial years and the largest in the history of the state. I would like to highlight that the development budget from state's resources has never crossed 2,600 crores in the past 5 years. In addition to the state's resources, the development budget includes resources available through various schemes of the central government. Combining the state and the central resources, the total development budget for 2020-2021 is estimated at 8,616 crores.